Did she get you, Angela? Really? What? Your froggy booth getting dirty?
Yes.
That's okay. That's what you're supposed to do. To keep them clean.
Yes.
What'd you find? Oh no, don't throw stones, baby.
Go ahead, Lily. You can put your boots in the mud.
Like, this is my puddle.
Lily just want to get her boots dirty.
What a dirty girl.
So you keep saying it's somebody's car. There goes my daughter. Oh, here they come.
It's like you're full on a string. Oh, yes.
Like Cassie would stay on the line in the snow.
Are you taking a video?
That Michael?
Yep.
Here comes Papa.